And then salmon, which is grilled. Salmon, olive oil, that's perfect. Obviously delicious, but milk, egg, wheat, 3 of the core 4. Fried stuff, always avoid. And then we have a lot of good things. Just you have to read the labels. Like here they look good. Pesto roasted zucchini, herb roasted fingerling. And what did they do? Just olive oil. Perfect. A lot of different things, but it's still fine, I believe. Rotisserie chicken. You most likely find just rice. So just plain basmati rice. Cannot do too much wrong here. And we have salads, and also again, devil in the details. Just read the labels. All good. Check for cough-holes. There's probably something in here. Plastic chicken salad. Milk is in there. But it's an amazing buffet. They do a great job. Just have to find expeller pressed canola oil is a no-go. Even though it's expeller pressed, which means cold pressed. Still not sure about it.